Hace ya unos cuantos meses, en Eslovenia, coincidimos con un francés, Martín, que estaba viajando él solo por toda Europa en una minicamper. Tras pasar un buen día con él, nos enseñó su pequeña camper y nos permitió hacerle una pequeña entrevista y grabar su furgo. Por un motivo u otro, todavía no habíamos editado el vídeo, esperando en el cajón desastre durante un buen tiempo, hasta que por fin, ya nosotros en Rusia, os lo compartimos. A pesar de que el vídeo no es demasiado largo, la camperización de una furgoneta de un tamaño tan reducido creemos que puede ser bastante interesante. Así que os dejamos con Martín.
Action! Hello, I'm Martin and I'm from France, in Normandy, in the north.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
I'm traveling around Europe for 1 year, and now I'm visit Slovenia 2-3 weeks.
I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
I'm start my trip in November in Spain, Portugal. After I'm going Italy, Croatia, Slovenia, and now I'm go up in Autriche, Poland.
Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this.
I'm starting traveling because I'm start work really young. I have start working when I have 18, and I really love my job. But I think, I'm really young and is little sad. I have a lot of time and money. What can make like project is fun and traveling is fun. Okay, let's go traveling. It's not hard because it's a real choice. I decided traveling alone because for me it's more easy for meet people when you want to talk or like this. It's obligation go see people, local people or other traveler. For me, I decide traveling for meet people and for see a different nature. So no, it's not very hard. Just sometimes when it's raining, like today, it's little boring because you stay in your van, and my van is really little, and so it's little boring, but it's really hard. I work in my computer, I write my trip in my book, I send message at my family, or I can go in a library. Like this, I have electricity and internet, so it's nice.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.
The difficulty live in the little van. It's I can't stand up, so it's always sit, or when you want cooking or take my clothes is on my seat, in my seat. And so that is little difficult, and I don't have a shower or toilet, so I have a solar shower and you have many possibility. But when it's cold or when it's rain, it's little more difficult.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip
My van have a name. It's a Bert. It's a very old name. It's very funny. No history, just fun. So I have one kitchen with 2 fryers, so I can really cooking, not just pasta. I can because like I cooking every day. For me, it's very important. Have 2 fires. Just here, I have for my water, for cooking, for my breakfast, grits, pasta, all this. For cooking, it's with gas. My bottle is just here. It's a little bottle camping gas, like this you can find every country. It's very more easy. It's always the same. Clean water, I have 3 bottles, not 2 bottles just for drink, 1 jerrycan for cooking for my pasta and this, and my solar shower for take a shower and clean my my plate and yeah, freezer is for my vegetable, cheese. Yes, that work with electricity, but I don't use electricity because it's just vegetable, so it's not necessary. But I can just here and that works. Second battery, that road when I'm drive. The second battery is just here. I'm sleep just here. The day it's a sofa, and the night that comes just here like this, and this part come here, and like this I can sleep. I have a bed for 1 people. Just here I have space for food and clothes and little book.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping.
Esperamos que os haya gustado y ya sabéis, si queréis que subamos más van tours, hacérnoslo saber con un comentario. ¡Nos vemos!
Wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try